Hi, today I will explain you how to solve rational equations using the butterfly method or the happy face. In this case, remember, if you remember how to add and subtract fraction using the happy face, basically it's the same procedure just to applying with equations, in this case, rational equations. So what you have to do basically is to multiply 2x plus 5 by 4 and 3 by 6 plus x. You are going to create a happy face here, and then you are going to start solving. In this case, we are going to copy 4 over, and then the 2x plus 5, we are going to put it in parentheses. So it's going to be 4 multiplied by 2x plus 5. Then we copy the addition sign, in this case is plus, and then we copy 3 because we are going to multiply 3 by 6 plus x. So we open parentheses and copy 6 plus x. And down you are going to multiply 3 times 4, which is 12. And this is going to be equals to 10 in the other side. Then what you have to do is to apply the multiple distributive to multiply, or the distributive property to multiply 4 times 2 and 4 times 5. So we are going to have 4 times 2, which is ax, 4 times 5, which is 20, plus 20. Then 3 times 6, which is 18. And 3 times x, and it's 3x, over 12. And this is going to be equals to 10. After this, what you have to do, this number 12 is dividing. So applying inverse operation, what you have to do is to move to the other side as multiplication. So you are going to have 8x plus 20 plus 18 plus 3x equal to 10. And the 12, which is dividing, we pass to multiply. So it's going to be 10 times 12 using inverse operation or transposition of term. After this, you need to combine like terms. In this case, we have ax and 3x. So we take out the 20 and the 18. 10 times 12, it's 120. And then we move positive 20, we subtract. Positive 18, we subtract here. Now we are going to have our linear equation, ax plus 3x equals 120 minus 20 minus 18. Using your calculator, you are going to have a plus 3 is 11x, and 120 minus 20, it's 100. 100. And 100 minus 18, it's equal to 82. Then what you have to do is to divide both sides by 11 and 82 by 11. Remember, we cancel the 11 over 11 because you are going to get 1, and the answer is going to be 82 over 11. And this is the answer, or the value for x in this rational equation. Now, in the second example, what you have to do is to apply again the distributive property, the happy face method, sorry. But in this case, it's subtraction, but the process is similar. So what you have to do is to multiply 2 by this expression, 2 multiplied by negative 4y minus 2. Then you copy the minus sign and copy 9 because you are going to multiply 9 by this expression, which is 3y minus 2. And then you multiply 9 times 2, which is 18. And this is going to be equals to 12. After this, you need to solve using the distributive property, the numerator. So you are going to multiply 2 times negative 4, which is negative 8y. Then 2 times negative 2, which is positive negative 4, sorry. Negative 9 times 3, it's negative 27y. And negative 9 times negative 2, it's positive 18. After this, you copy the positive 18 down as a denominator, and it's going to be equal to 12. So as a review, remember we applied the happy face method. The 2 we multiply by this numerator and 9 we multiply by the second numerator. Then you apply distributive property, 2 times -4, 8y, and 2 times -2, -4. -9 times 3, -27y, and -9 times -2, +18. We copy the 18 down, and it's equals to 12. Remember, we copy this 18 because it's our multiplication of 9 times 2. Then you need to pass this 18, which is dividing, you move to multiply. So we are going to have -8y minus 4 minus 27y plus 18 equals to 12 multiplying by 18. What you have to do now is to solve the operation 12 times 18, and also you need to organize the common variables. 12 times 18 is 216. Now arrange variables in one side and constants in the other side. So you're going to have a -8y minus 27y and a 216. The -4, applying inverse operation, we move it as a +4 and +18 to -18. Then you subtract a -8 minus 27y, which is -35y. And you're going to have in the other side 216 plus 4, 216 plus 4 minus 18. And it's going to be 202. 202. Then what you have to do it is to divide both sides by -35. And in that, until this step, you are going to get the answer. So you divide by -35 here and 202 divided by -35. So you are going to get y equal 202 over -35. And remember, this negative is sharing for the whole fraction. So this is the answer, and this is the process to solve a rational equation.